We are Ksolves India Limited, established 13 years back in Noida. Now we are having our roots in Noida, Pune and Indore, if I talk about India. And if I talk globally, we are in UAE and US as well. We are the only public listed company into NSE and BSE, that is a Odoo Gold partner as well. We are a CMI level 3 company with ISO certification. We are a Odoo Gold partner and a Salesforce Summit partner as well. So these are some of the important badges which Ksolves has been able to bag in last 13 years. Except to this, we are a team of 550 plus people having engineers, architects, developers, QAs, designers and many other roles. Going ahead, we have these are some of the numbers which you can see on the screen. We till date in Odoo, we have served 50 plus industries with a team of 140 plus Odoo developers and certified consultants. So far, we have been able to deliver 350 plus projects successfully, out of which 300 plus can be called as the Odoo implementations. In total, Ksolves bagged complete customer base of 3,000 plus customers for services and products. Some of the special USPs of Ksolves are 24/7 support services. Every customer that comes into any kind of a product, either it is Odoo or any tech service, what they require most is the better support, which Ksolves is a star at. Now, coming to our Odoo suite of services, we have consultation, customization, on-site implementations, integrations, version upgrades, and ongoing support. This image is not just an image. Actually, this is the journey of Ksolves with Odoo from last 3 years. As you can see, we are the fastest growing company from a revenue of $1.31 million to $3.92 million as an annual revenue in Odoo. Not just shows our numbers, it shows our dedication towards our customers as well, the quality as well. Such kind of growth is not just the result of the marketing or some leads that we get, but a better word of mouth. When a customer works with us, the kind of service he gets, he goes out, he speaks about the Ksolves, and yes, we are able to get more and more new opportunities. Once a seed, now is a tree. We started with the products division at Ksolves with the first sale of $11 only. And now till date, in last 6 years, we have been able to score a revenue of $1.5 million with products. This is not just the number. This actually shows how actually we take the ideas. All the customers which we have worked with, they come to us with some small ideas, some new ideas, which we feel can be a big idea. We convert those ideas into the products, list them on the public store, the Odoo marketplace, and we take it forward. Except to Odoo, Ksolves is a services company into IT and other technologies. As you can see on the screen, we are not just limited to Odoo. We do big data, AI/ML, Salesforce, DevOps, generative AI, React, full stack, and many other technologies which actually help us to grow our business in all the directions. Having said this, we just don't cover the customers for Odoo. For example, if a customer comes to us and they want a service which is not limited to Odoo, but could be Android, could be iOS, could be AI, we have it covered. So such kind of support and a back is definitely required to give the customers a 24/7 now Neha will take you through the Dashboard Ninja. That is the start topic for today. How this actually got started, what were the reasons, what was the motive behind this, and what we are doing today and in the future. So Neha, over to you.
Thank you, Vijay. So, hello everyone. Before moving down about how Dashboard Ninja works, I would like to give you a quick journey behind Dashboard Ninja. Exactly how we came up our mind with this application. So, our story begins with some kind of, you can say, pointers which we have noticed at that point of time, which was on very trend. So what happened exactly is client by client coming to us and saying that, hey, we love Odoo, but could Odoo make some kind of dashboards out of it, which is running by some kind of third-party tools, as you all know in nowadays, right? So they were just looking not only an ERP application, but a compact system with the powerful dashboard, which can make their decision easier. Now, when they came to us, of course, as an implementation partner, what we thought of to create and customize it. At first, we create some dashboard one by one, custom, client specific, of course. But soon we got to know that, hey, now we are doing a repetitive thing, which is very generic, okay? And then we came up with a mind that why not creating this repetitive work to a combined one and create some specific solutions which can be adaptable and more powerful, and of course, a more compact one. Not for a specific single customer, but for all of them. So, by this thought, we created one application, we created some kind of common configurations which can help to make these dashboards very effective. Again, I'm saying not for a specific customer. And because we value every customer feedback, we took this challenge very, very seriously. And by saying this, as you all know, necessity is the mother of invention. So that's how the Dashboard Ninja born. That's how Dashboard Ninja come to our life, come to ERP life, and make the compact dashboards. So that's the journey. So moving forward, I would like to Again, a major feature on any kind of dashboards, any kind of reporting is the filtering. As you all know, Odoo have the filter to create, I can say to filter out your data based on the dates you're looking for, right? Same feature we have developed within our application. So whenever you create a dashboard, you want to see a month wise of data. So you have to use this filter. You just search it from which date to which date, a quarter, single month, 1 week, a month, quarter by quarter. The whole dashboard will update accordingly. Now again, as you know, not in nowadays, since beginning everyone is using Excel very frequently to manage their systems. And they are using Excel also to create these reports. Okay. So what we have done is we have created some features where you can import your Excel with the system and the system will give you I can say design and very nice kind of outcomes, a dashboards kind of thing. So the major purpose is even if you don't maintain your data within Odoo, you have your data in Excel in any format, you can import it within that application, and that application will give you the nice outcome which you wanted to create or design somehow by the Excel. And I'm saying about the large number of files, not in thousand, I'm talking about the lakhs of data. Again, a very important feature because now within this application you will see n numbers of dashboards. So now it's very important as a manager level, as a user level, to bookmark or to save some kind of important dashboard which they wanted to see on regular basis. So we just give a bookmark feature on. Okay. Now as you know, Odoo is majorly using for multiple companies, right? Within a single organization, if there's a multi-company sections, if there is I can say, multi-group of sections, they are using Odoo for multiple branches for multiple companies. So now what exactly happens is when they're creating the dashboards, right, with the help of their own members or with the help of us. So by helping it, by taking it, we are creating the whole dashboard at one time. Now what happened is they wanted to replicate the same dashboard into another company, right? The same area. They wanted to see how much revenue is there, how many cost of income is there, how many salesperson team members are there, what exactly the expected revenue are there. So these kind of things we are creating it. Now we have designed one very, very important feature which mentioned that if you build already something inside a system, you should not be worried to create it again. Just as you see in the screen, copy it, you can export it and import within the system, again, a new system or within another company, and system will give you this feature will give you to create or replicate that dashboard within that, I can say, company, that another branch within some seconds. So you don't need to worry anything, you don't need to change anything. System will adapt accordingly. Okay, this is again one of the important features which will give you the option of drill and down to data. So now, again, giving a very quick example, if you wanted to see how much customer sales is there, right? And within this, you wanted to see how much sales we received from that region. Going drill down, how much sales we have received from those customers, I can say salespersons. So you can drill down your data till to that sections where you're looking for or where you need it. If it is inside the system, of course. Okay. So this feature will give you to go in the data depth, check where exactly it is coming, check how exactly it is bifurcating and giving you the whole outcome. Again, as I'm giving you an example of copying the dashboard from one from one branch to another branch. So same way, this application will give you to create one specific dashboard to another area. So for example, I'm from the sales user and there is one another warehouse user and both of us wanted to see some kind of transfer. So as a sales manager, I can see, hey, I worked on these sales, so these are the number of sales which I worked on. I wanted to see are they delivered or not. Same kind of data which I think operator also wanted to see, a warehouse operator wanted to see how many transactions are done during that day, right? So if I make this dashboard within my area, within my login, so there is an option, there is a feasibility of application which you can copy, which you can move it to any other database. Again, the major impact is how exactly it will look like it. So we have built multiple themes, multiple sections where you can change your data layout, how exactly it will look like according to, I can say, your company branding. So this will look more good. Okay, so as I'm giving you some examples of creating a dashboard, is how easy. You just need to select the model and which configuration you're looking for, and the system will give you the dashboard within 10 seconds. Now the thing is, if you wanted to edit it, you don't want to go into the configurations and do the things again. There is a quick edit mode where you can quickly jump in, edit it, do the changes if any changes is required, and the changes were saved at the runtime. Moving next. So now I was just like to give you a quick thoughts about, because we have made this application again by overcoming multiple, I can say, issues which is happening for multiple companies, a dashboard needs. So to serve that dashboard needs, we have created such kind of application industries wise. So for financial, we created some templates. For the sales, we created some templates. For the purchase, we created some templates. Many templates we have created that for this industry specific, which you can see, which you can system can give you a quick overview about that applications, about that industries. Moving next, now the major thing, as you can see, this application now serving a lot of area to overcome the dashboard need. What exactly the advanced version of it? So when we thought around, we see that now within an organization there is n numbers of data which need to be collaborate and which need to be present. To get rid of it, what we are doing is we are doing some customization within the dashboard in the application. Okay, we are making some kind of, I can say, scripts to connect between n numbers of tables and showcasing it. And then we thought of it another idea that why not doing this as a configuration within the application. So we made up another advanced application called Dashboard Ninja Advanced. And within this application, what we have done is we give user an option to create your own query. No need to select any kind of tables, any kind of columns. You just need to put your query within that application, save it, how exactly you want to replicate that, you want to save inside that query, and boom, system will give you a warning. So there is some glimpse of that application, how exactly this application will work. So let's see it. So this is again a presentation mode. This is also very, I can say, you all can see a very small feature it is, but this is a very good application. So whenever we have a conference meeting with our management on annual basis, monthly basis, we wanted to present them some data, right? And as you know, to have prepare a presentation with that data is really, really hard to do it. So we come up this idea, if you have dashboard ready, why not using that dashboard within that presentation mode? So we created this application, a TV mode we called it. Within this mode, you can see that dashboard ninja that application into a big screen, and this will showcase you how exactly it works, and you can portray your whole presentation within that application. Okay, again, I'm saying that within this application, the major feature is custom query creation. Now, this is again, as I'm saying, a very, very, very highly recommended feature. Where because of this, everyone is using it. It's just because of this custom query. You create your own query with your own data which you're looking for, which you want to pop it out, and that will give you the outcomes accordingly. And as you can see, there we have put some queries accordingly. If you wanted to give some kind of date range, you can give it, and accordingly, the system will showcase the data. Moving forward, we again adding some kind of more feature into it, right? Like how the way it will look like. So there is some kind of screens that you are seeing. It's just a list view representation of a data, but in a multiple UI format. So we just enhance it a theme kind of dashboard ninja where you can select which theme you're looking for. Okay, there is another, I can say, features which you can see within the application is about if you wanted to print that dashboard and send to your management, to your team members, you can still do that. If you wanted to email that dashboard to your management, to your team members to look into it, you can still do it. You don't need to work on the presentation. save your time a lot, and because of this, your management will see the outcomes of your team. That's it. Moving next. So I think that's it for today's session. I would like if you, any one of you having any kind of question and answer. Yes, please. Other than this, so not yet. Again, this application also only for creating the dashboard, but again.
Does all of the charts are dynamic or just fixed chart?
When you say dynamic, it means whatever data you're going to
If
operate
I
it.
select one of the state and I want all the data according to that state, it will be populate all
Yes,
that.
of course, that's what it means. Any other questions we have?
Great. Thanks for being the great audience. In the end, we just want to conclude like this dashboard ninja is a tool that can help you as a stakeholder, as a user, to get all the numbers in front of your eyes at a click. Being in like any department, you are hosting sales, you're in accounts, HR, anybody, you all would need numbers at any time, in your life. So this can make your life easy. Thank you so much for being the lovely audience.
Thank you so much.